Okay, here's the part number for my new pulley and cable. Okay, the spring fell off when the cable snapped, and on this rail there's a hole on the left side that the spring connects to. So I'm going to connect one end of this spring into that hole. And here's the pulley cable. And you got that notch inside. And it's going to hook in right here. Slide that on. And guide the cable around the pulley at the bottom. Then we have to connect the other end of the cable to the spring. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.